Good morning, everyone. Once again, welcome back to your English online class. So, student, take out your English grammar book and turn page number 74. So, today we are going to learn about new lesson, and that is better understanding of words. And the chapter is 18. So, in our previous class, we learned about the tenses. I think we learned about the tenses. So, tenses. There are three types of tenses. That is present tense, past tense, and the future tense. And the present tense tell us something which is happening now, and the present time and the past tense tells us something which was already happened in the past time, and the future tense it tells us something which is going to happen in afterwards or in later, okay, in future time. Understood? So today's topic is better understanding of words. Yes, better understanding of words. Better means nicely, no? Nicely. We have to understand the words in English. Okay, understanding means to know. We have to know the words better. Okay, nicely in English. So, let's see. There are certain words in English language which have different spelling but same sounds. Such words are called homophones. So, in English language, have you noticed in English language there are many similar sounded words, no, similar, it pronounced the similar, but the spelling and the meaning will be the different. Okay, so that kind of word are called homophones. Kind of word we call it homophones. Same pronunciation but different spelling and the different meaning. Okay, so read the following sentences. Here is a sentence given, so you have to read out. She has long and curly hair. There was a tortoise and a hare. You can see a word with a red color. You can see hair. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. H-A-R-E. Hair. Same pronunciation is same. Hair. Hair. But you can see the spelling is different, and here also the different. H-A-I-R. Hair. H-A-R-E. Hair. Spelling is different and the meaning is also the different. Here you know, in head you have hair, no? So hair means like a rabbit. Hair means rabbit. Okay, the words hair and hair sounds the same but they have slightly different spelling. So you already, I have told you that they have same sound but different meaning and the different spelling. Their meanings are also different. Such words with same sound but different spelling are called homophones. Such kind of words are called homophones. Okay, many times we get confused with words like here and here, or here and here. So many times we get confused in English, no? uh, like words in a word, we confuse in a words like here and here, or here or here and here, like this, no? Same here, here, same sound but the meaning and the spelling is different. Let us learn the correct use of some such confusing words. Let us learn the correct use of such confusing words, homophones. Okay, now one, tail. Cows have long tails. You have seen, no? Animals have the tails, no? They have long tails. Cows have long tails. Dog also have. Cats also have, no? Tail. T-T-A-L-E, tail. I have heard many tales from my grandmother. So this tale is a which animals have, and this tale is a story. I have heard many tales from my grandmother. One of them have heard many tales. Grandmother told her or him many stories, no? P-E-A-C, peace. We want peace in our country. We want peace in our country. Okay, P-I-E-C, peace. Same, peace, peace. Give me a piece of sweet. It's a small part, okay. Piece is a part. Whole. I have learned the whole lesson. Learn. Whole. Learn. Everything. Whole. Actually hole. The rat ran in its hole. Where the rat goes, no, in the hole. Brake. The brake of bicycle needs to be repaired. You know what is brake, no, bicycle. The brake of the bicycle needs to be repaired. The car also have a brake. Everything have a brake, no. BREAK, brake. It is a lunch break. So it is our lunch break. It is our lunch time. Okay. I hope you understood this homophones word. So we have to fill in the blanks with IE, EI and say the words along. Now we have to fill these blanks with the IE or EI. Okay, IE or EI. PRIEST, priest. IEST, priest. BELIEF, belief. RECEIVE, receive. PROTEIN, protein. PIECE, peace. FIELD, field. HEIGHT, height. QUIET, quiet. CRIET, cried. NIECE, knees. SEIJT, siege. CEILING, ceiling. THIEF, thief. YEILD, yield. WEIGHT, weight. You can see, no? So do that in your exercise book only. Now another exercise. Number B, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Number 1, dash has legs. Deer or deer? Deer. These two are the homophones. All the you have to fill in the blanks by choosing this homophones word. Okay. Ankita was standing there. THERE, there. Number 3, there is a hole in the bucket. Hole. Number 4, speak loudly. I cannot hear you. Hear. Tiwari had long hair. Not hair. 6, that is our school. Our. The ship is sailing in the sea. The bangle is made of gold. You can see the deer, deer. There, there. Hole, hole. Here, here. Here, here. R, see, made. You have to learn this for words. What is the correct one? Okay. Number 6, exercise C. In each of these sentences, one word is spelled wrongly. Write its correct spelling. In these sentences, one word is spelled wrongly. You have to correct that word. That wrong word is underlined, so you have to correct that one. Okay. Number, white pigeons are the symbol of peace. Here is written wrong. No, you have to write PEAC, peace. Pigeon is a symbol of peace, not this peace. Okay. Number 2, there is a hole in the basket, not this hole. HOLE, hole. Okay. Number 3, my parents wants to meet you, not this one. Meet, MEAT, meet, not this meet. MEET, meet. I saw a whale in the sea, not this sea. SEAC. The sun rises in the east, not this sun. SUN, sun. A deer came to the pond, not this deer. DEER, deer. She spoiled the carpet with her dirty feet. FEAT, not this one. FEET, feet. His son is very naughty, not this SUN. SON, son is the correct one. Okay. You do this also in your exercise book. Given below are some pairs of words. Fill in the blanks using these words. So here is the pair of words, homophones. So you have to use this words in the blanks. Okay. Number 1, she protects her son, 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 from the rays of the SUN, sun. Okay. Number 2, walk this way to weigh yourself. Walk this way to weigh yourself. WIGH, weigh yourself. Okay. Number 3, only one student has won the bravery award. One student has won the bravery award. The sum of some digits has been calculated wrong. Okay. Number 5, there was no light for their events. There was no light for the events. Number 6, you must wait to take your weight. You must wait to take your weight. Okay, wait. Number 8, choose the correct homophone in each sentences and write it in the blank space. So you have to choose the correct homophone, which one is correct, and you have to fill the blanks with that homophone, one homophone word. Okay. Number 1, that bee will be here any moment now. B, not B. I would like to sit on a stool made of wood, not hood. WOOD, hood, not this one. WOD, hood. He is still weak after he fell sick last week. WEEK, weak, not weak. Weak. Number 4, I will write on the right side of the notebook. WRI, not this one. WRIGH, to write is correct. Number 5, I have 4 big books for those kids. FOR, for, not for. 4. For those kids. 6, see the ship sailing in the SEAC, not SEEC. I ate my dinner at 8 o'clock, not 88. EIGH, 8 is correct. Number 8, the wind does away my hat. Blue, BLUE, blue. Away my hat, not this one. BLUE, blue is not. Okay. So I hope you understood the chapter, better understanding of the words. So what is homophone? Homophone words are pronounced in the same way. Homophone words which was pronounced the same, which is pronounced the same as another word but differs in the spelling or the meaning. Okay, differs in the spelling and the meaning. Okay, homophone words, please keep it in your mind. What is homophone words? Homophones is a word which pronounce the same but they have different meaning and the different spelling. Got it? And these exercises please do in your exercise book only, in this book only, please, and go through once you go through the chapter for the better understanding. Okay, for the better understanding of the what is homophone. No, it is very easy, so you have to learn this one. Okay, it is helpful for your future studies. Okay, this much.